They say the earth is alive, that beneath our cities, beneath our classrooms, and the comfort of concrete, it breathes. And when the earth breathes, it does not inhale gently, it trembles.
Dahil po sa sunod-sunod na lindol sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, pinaghahandaan ng mga LGU sa Metro Manila ang pagtama ng pinamahang dagdag buwan.
Ng magnitude 5 na lindol ang Ilocos Norte pasado alas 4 ng hapon kanina.
Hindi po nalalayo sa magnitude 6.9 na lindol sa Cebu ang inaasahang lakas.
And earthquakes are proofs to remind us how fragile everything is.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ma'am Palo.
So, please be informed nga natay earthquake drill karong alas 2 sa hapon. So, all students and teachers are required to participate.
Wala, drill na po.
Kapoy man na, murag di man na matinuod.
Class, listen. Maminaw nga, dapat mag-seryoso mo kay wata kay bawo ganos sa limang kabuhang lino. Dapat kay bawo mo sa buhaton ug moabot ni panahon na. Kasabot?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, earthquake drill na, duck, come and hold.
Duck, cover and hold me forever.
Kung mag-hold forever mo, sigurado ang under the table gihapon ha. Stay calm, protect your head and neck. Kung magdino ayaw mo magdagan.
Before it happens, preparedness feels optional, feels like a game, a routine, a practice they think they will never truly need.
Ang drill dili na siya para lingaw-lingaw lang, dili po na siya para sa compliance, para po na sa inyong kaayuhan.
They practice safety.
Okay, Grant,
As if practicing fire drill, not knowing the earth is already drawing breath. And then it exhales. Through shaking corridors and falling noise, they move together. Small hands gripping strength they didn't know they had. Step by step, they reach open ground. Under the vast sky, hearts still racing, they stand alive.